Hello everyone, today I'm going to guide you on how to replace a doorbell and make it rainproof. Well, sort of. Safety first. First, reach your breaker box and turn off the breaker that powers the doorbell. Next, remove the old doorbell. You can use something sharp to cut off the paint that is preventing the removal. Now it is highly important to remember which wire goes to which port. There are two types of port, one, common port, second, L1 port. Always double check with a test pen just to be sure if the power supply is completely cut off. Now release the wire and don't forget which wire goes to which port. Make sure that common wire goes back to COM port, and two-way wire goes to L1 port. We are almost done replacing the doorbell, but just to be safe, I bought some stainless steel screw which are really good against rusting. Next, tighten the screw. However, do not overdo it, you might break the casing. Now get yourself a clear silicone multi-purpose sealant. This type of silicone are usually used in toilet shower cubicle, and it is really easy to apply and very durable. Lightly squeeze the silicone around the corners and you can use a scraper like what I did here. You may want to stick a layer of cellophane tape around the tip of the scraper. This way the silicone will not stick on the scraper surface. Carefully glide through the edge to create an even coating of the silicone. This sealant are great for people who want their doorbell to be waterproof without those bulky looking cover installed over the doorbell. After ensuring all the sealant are in place, you can wait for around 15 to 30 minutes for the silicone to dry. After that, you can start painting over the silicone. Brush the paint on it slowly to avoid staining the doorbell. And I suggest you can use some watercolor brush like mine. It's perfect for this kind of minor paint work. Place the doorbell cover back on, and there you have it, a brand new rainproof doorbell. Thank you, and do check out some of my other videos too if you are interested to DIY your home stuff. Have a nice day.